परो ददाति इति कुबुद्धिरेषा, बोले कोई दूसरा नहीं देता है। स्वकर्म सूत्रे ग्रथितो ही लोका, स्वकर्म बोले मेरा ही कर्म, मेरा ही कर्म, स्वकर्म ग्रथिते ही लोका, मेरे कर्म सूत्र से मैं खुद बंधा हुआ हूं। तो कौन हूं मैं वो जो कर्म करता है, कैसे कर्म करता है, किस तरह के कर्म करता है, किससे बंधा हुआ होकर कर्म करता है। सब जगह सच मानो, ये जो सारी शॉपिंग हम करते हैं ना, अपने कार में बेसिए, कार में बेसी ना अपने गाड़ी में ड्राइव नहीं करता, नहीं, वी आर नॉट ओनली ड्राइविंग आवर कार, आवर माइंड आल्सो ड्राइविंग अस क्रेजी, कि नहीं। कमालની વાત આ છે કે જ્યારે આપણે કારમાં બેસીએ, ગાડી સ્ટોપ થાય, ટ્રાફિક લાઇટ ઉપર, તો આપણે બહાર જોતા રહીએ, કોઈ કાર જતી હોય, કોઈ કાર આવતી, કોણ બેઠા છે, કેટલા લોકોને કેટલી વાર આપણે જોયા છે। ઇવન એરપોર્ટ ઉપર બેસીને આપણે वहाँ भी हम बैठते हैं, पांडे जी की वजह से मैं हिंदी या इंग्लिश में रहूँगा, क्योंकि गुजराती में हमारे नहीं जब चाहिए कि पांडे जी को फिर मैंने तो लगा यहाँ आवता से अपन गुजराती सीखी गया से यहाँ कोई कहता था मैंने इंग्लिश आवड़े के नाम ले तुमने गुजराती आवड़ी જોઈએ અમેરિકા નહીં। આપણા પ્રીસ્ટ તમે જો જે બધા પ્રીસ્ટો આવે છે આપણા ઉત્તર પ્રદેશથી મોસ્ટલી અહીંયા, પણ જે બધા પ્રીસ્ટો અહીંયા આવે ત્યારે બધા ગુજરાતી શીખી हैं। तो सच बात तो यह है, स्वकर्म सूत्रे ग्रथितो ही लोका, वृथा करोमि थी, मैं कर रहा हूं, ये अभिमान से व्यक्ति खुद बंधता चला जाता है। और मुझे याद है पांडे जी, जब मैं बहुत छोटा था, जब मुझे जंगल में जाने का मौका मिला, मैं जब जंगल से वापस लौटा तो पता नहीं क्यों, I don't know why I had this weird habit. Even today when I go back and think, coming back from jungle, being in the jungle for so many years, but when I came back from jungle, even then, I had this weird habit that one day because we never touched money in those days and never had money now with us, we used to walk on the road, not using vehicles, wherever we went, today here, tomorrow there, just keep roaming around all of the country. And I remember one day in New Delhi, we were coming, my Swamiji, my Sadguru, and myself, we were coming together from one park where we went for walk. And we were coming back on the way. You know, when you are coming such a big market in New Delhi, and you are just passing shop by shop, पता नहीं मेरे को क्या weird habit थी, I was just reading those billboards. When you keep walking and you keep reading those billboards, and I had this weird habit. And Swamiji आगे, he was just walking in front of me, and I was following him. And but when I was following him, he was walking in front of me, I was reading those billboards also. But he told me, whenever you walk, keep chanting your mantra, keep doing your japa. Now the japa is also on, but the billboard reading also is on. Mind is amazing. Amazing mind. But he gave me the training, whenever you walk, whatever you do, jap should be on. The jap means that constant anchoring, that grounding she was talking about, that should stay on. लेकिन अपना माइंड बड़ा अमेजिंग है, जप भी ऑन है और वो रीडिंग भी ऑन है। लेकिन आपको एक बात बता दूं मैं, अमेजिंग बात है, आप ध्यान करेंगे, जैसे ही आपका मन कुछ और पढ़ने लगता है तो जप बंद हो जाएगा। और उन्होंने इसलिए कहा था कि और देखने का झंझट ही न रहे, जप को ऑन रखो। Whenever people ask me how to meditate, when we meditate, you will watch, mind starts wandering. होना तो ये चाहिए, the moment you close your eyes, there should be a switch on. The moment you close your eyes, switch is on and you are connected. And the moment you are connected to with the light. And when you are connected with the light, what else can come? Only the light. But it happens, light disappears and our mind starts wandering. How to take care of that part? We'll come back. But now, let me share that story with you, what happened to me. It's not you, it happens to you. It happened to me too. So don't worry. Don't feel bad. Even after being in the jungle 8 years, it happened to me. Being in the gufas, in the mountains, I want to be honest. I want to share with you. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमको नहीं होता, हुआ. लेकिन करें क्या? हुआ, होगा. Don't worry. It's okay. Things happen. But where to go from here? Where to move from here? What to do? Is there any way? Yes, there is a way. We'll talk about that way now. तो मैं जब जा रहा था, आगे आगे बढ़ रहा था, तो जैसे ही वो आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ, मैं भी पढ़ रहा हूँ, लेकिन पढ़ भी रहा हूँ. और जब मैं पढ़ने लगा तो मंत्र तो रुक ही गया होगा, क्योंकि ध्यान पूरा वहाँ है. और जैसे ही मैंने एक बोर्ड पढ़ा, दूसरा पढ़ा, वो रुक गए. And he stopped. I was not paying attention to him. I was just reading the billboard. Then when he stopped, and I bumped into him, and he looked at me, and he looked at me. He understood. He didn't say anything. But again I started walking. And he looked back, and I was reading the billboards, and he stopped. He gave me one slap. Jab karo. He was very strict. Very strict. Here you slap 911, but there was no 911. Guru means Guru. It was not a slap, it was a discipline. Today we think, apne marvu જોઈએ કે નહીં મારવું જોઈએ, વાત મારવાની નથી. It's not he was angry, he lost his control. He was totally in his control. But he was just giving me the discipline. That was his way. Maybe we don't like this way, but that was his way. And then I didn't understand why he did it. I forgot that I have forgot my mantra. You are only hit by the nature also when you forget the connection. Always remember, you can never be hit or hurt if you maintain your connection. Even the hurt will come, you will not feel the hurt. Stay connected. I forgot the connection, started wandering in the world, started reading the billboards, and there is a slap. It's not a slap, it's a blessing. It's a grace. Hey, come on, किसको पढ़िए नहीं तो, किसी का बेटा नहीं, पांडे जी ठीक है, पढ़ते रहो बिलबोर्ड. मैंने तो मंत्र बताया था. I gave you the mantra. I did my duty, but it's to you now. Read the billboards or stay connected. But he cared. When children talk about parents, I don't know why my mom is so cranky to me. Arey, she cares about you. She is concerned about you. She loves you. She cares about you. That's why she is there all the time concerned. She is not nagging all the time. Believe me. लेकिन बच्चों में ऐसा होता है. Anyway, तो मेरे को उन्होंने एक थप्पड़ मारा. मैंने उनको पूछा क्यों. ऐसे मैंने इशारे से क्यों, क्योंकि I was in silence. Because he told me stay in silence and do the japa. मैंने उनको पूछा क्यों, ऐसे इशारे से. उन्होंने एक और मारा. Third time you can't even dare to ask क्यों. And I was in silence, and those thappad, those slaps really shaped my life.